Choosing the right tool can make plant care easier and more accurate. The best soil moisture tester helps you understand what your plants truly need by giving clear, fast readings, ensuring healthier growth, reduced guesswork, and a more confident gardening experience. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Gain Express Soil Moisture Tester. The Gain Express Soil Moisture Tester is a practical tool designed for growers who want accurate readings without complications. Its ability to measure both pH and moisture allows users to understand soil conditions quickly and adjust their gardening or farming practices accordingly. The long 295mm electrode is one of its standout features, reaching deeper into the soil than standard probes, which results in more reliable and comprehensive readings. Its waterproof metal construction adds durability, making it suitable for outdoor use in vineyards, orchards, farms, or home gardens. Another benefit is that it requires no batteries, ensuring it's always ready to use without worrying about charging or replacements. While its design is straightforward, it's built for serious soil analysis and fits well in both professional and home settings. The tester provides dependable results, though users should remember to calibrate it periodically to maintain accuracy. Operating best between 5 to 50 degrees Celsius, it delivers consistent performance even under varying climate conditions. Whether you're optimizing soil acidity for specific crops or maintaining moisture levels for plant health, the Gain Express tester offers an efficient way to monitor what's happening below the surface. It's a durable, no-nonsense tool that supports better decision-making for healthier soil and improved plant growth. Number 2. Luqeeg Soil Moisture Tester. The Luqeeg Soil Moisture Tester is ideal for users who want detailed, real-time soil data with a modern digital interface. Its large LCD screen with a full-color embedded display makes it easy to monitor readings clearly, even when managing multiple datasets. The device supports single-point and continuous recording, giving flexibility depending on your workflow. Its real-time curve display option provides a more visual understanding of moisture patterns, which can be extremely useful for professionals managing greenhouses, agricultural fields, or large-scale garden projects. The tester's strong anti-interference ability and quick response speed ensure reliable measurements even in electrically noisy environments. It also features automatic alarms and cancellation functions, enhancing its practicality for busy growers who can't constantly monitor readings. A standout advantage is the high data storage capacity, offering up to 4 megabytes with the ability to export all results to Excel. This makes long-term tracking, printing, and analysis effortless. With multi-function buttons and an intuitive interface, the Luqeeg tester is designed for convenience despite being feature-rich. It's a great choice for users who want a sophisticated monitoring tool that blends precision, data management, and ease of use into one efficient device. Number 3. ECOWITT Soil Moisture Tester. The ECOWITT Soil Moisture Tester stands out for its integration with modern smart home-style monitoring systems. The included WH1200 Wi-Fi gateway doubles as an indoor weather station while acting as the central hub for ECOWITT sensors. It measures temperature, humidity, and barometric pressure, offering a wide overview of environmental conditions. Installation is simple with its USB-powered design, cable clip, and extension cord, allowing flexible placement anywhere inside the home. Setup is straightforward through the ECOWITT app or the web interface, making it accessible even for beginners. Firmware updates can be enabled for new features without losing stored data. Paired with the WH51 wireless soil moisture sensor, the system provides readings within 72 seconds after the probe is fully inserted, ensuring reliable moisture tracking for gardens, lawns, or potted plants. The IP66 waterproof sensor makes outdoor use safe in various weather conditions. This tester is ideal for users who want connectivity, accurate moisture insights, and the convenience of viewing all data on an app. While it's important to avoid using the probe on hard or rocky soil, its performance on garden beds, farms, and planters is excellent. ECOWITT's combination of smart features and dependable moisture measurement makes it a top choice for tech-savvy gardeners. Number 4. ZOEYEC Soil Moisture Tester. The ZOEYEC Soil Moisture Tester is a compact, portable option designed for gardeners who need fast and simple moisture readings. Its lightweight build makes it easy to carry around the garden, while the user-friendly design ensures quick operation without unnecessary steps. The digital display is equipped with a backlight, which is especially helpful in low-light conditions, such as early mornings, shaded areas, or cloudy days. You can instantly read moisture levels without guessing or interpreting analog dials. The tester also includes an auto power-off feature after 5 minutes to preserve battery life, adding to its overall convenience. The data hold function allows users to freeze a reading on the screen, making it easier to record values when working across multiple testing points. Ideal for potted plants, raised beds, or outdoor soil, the ZOEYEC tester is straightforward yet effective for routine moisture checks. Although it doesn't include advanced features like data storage or app connectivity, it excels at what most gardeners need: quick, accurate moisture feedback. It's a reliable tool for maintaining proper watering habits, preventing overwatering, and ensuring healthier plant growth. For everyday gardening or beginners wanting something simple, the ZOEYEC tester delivers dependable performance in a small and practical package. Number 5. YINMIK Soil Moisture Tester. The YINMIK Soil Moisture Tester Kit is a comprehensive solution designed for growers who want precise and versatile soil data. This set includes a soil pH meter and a 3-in-1 moisture and EC meter, giving users multiple layers of information in one package. The pH meter is equipped with a tapered stainless steel dibber that protects the electrode and allows measurement in different soil types without fear of damage. Getting pH readings is quick and straightforward. Just insert the probe and read the result instantly, eliminating the need for messy soil slurries or guesswork from dial-based meters. The moisture meter uses advanced FDR technology for highly accurate moisture detection, making it easier to understand soil hydration levels and create rational watering schedules. The device also measures temperature, giving a fuller understanding of plant conditions. For hydroponic growers, the kit doubles in value as both the pH and EC meters can test water solutions. The package comes with calibration solutions, a brush, a dropper, and full instructions, making it easy to maintain accuracy over time. Whether used indoors, outdoors, or in hydro systems, the YINMIK tester provides a dependable and professional-level experience for improving plant health. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.